Hi, my name is Shamaya Cha, and I have been a licensed massage therapist for 44 years and a primary educator in all of the physical medicines that are out there for massage therapists. I have been semi-retired for the last 3 years and no longer performing massage therapy. However, I have created a new space in the cannabis industry, and I create and sell CBD products, and I educate about cannabis to the medical marijuana physicians and all physicians that are wanting to learn about alternative medicine. In this 2-hour presentation that you'll be seeing, there will be no CEs given for it because it's not approved for that. However, it's really informational, and it's great for you to add as an adjunct to your existing practices in also assisting your patients in pain management. You're going to be learning about the history, about cannabis, where it originated and how it came into being and used as a medicine. You'll learn about the endocannabinoid system, which is the utilization of the products that come from cannabis, but we actually have a whole system in our body with both anatomy and physiology that utilize our own natural cannabinoids to balance and create homeostasis. You will be learning about what is CBD versus THC, and the difference between hemp and marijuana. In addition, we'll be learning about the pathologies that can be treated with hemp extract products and the processes that go along with getting those products out of the plant itself, the safe ways for extraction, the common ways that are for extraction, and what you should look for in promoting a good product or the utilization of a product that is pristine and toxic free. We will learn about how the other components of the cannabis plant, which includes both hemp and marijuana, as in the terpenes and other phytonutrients, affect the outcome of the experience of the person, whether they receive it in a topical or inhale it or ingest it, as well as other delivery methodology. You will learn about the skin endocannabinoid system and why it's really effective for massage therapists to utilize topical applications in their approach when doing treatment for pain management, as well as what the medium is that it's in. It's also very important. And exactly, that will be our 2-hour presentation. See you there. And I look forward to it. Oh, in addition, the bonus for this is if you take the class, even though there's no CEs, we'll be giving away buy one product, get one product free. Doesn't matter the product. The fees go anywhere from $10 per product all the way to $150. And there's no cap on how many you can order.